Hello guys, today I have got SOUNDCORE AeroClip earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can easily manage the dual connections. As you can see, here I've got our application. This application is called SOUNDCORE. We need to tap here dual connections, and as you can see here I've got dual connections. We can disable them to disable this option or enable this option. Connect your headphones to two devices at the same time. As you can see in the current section, I've got our device. Here we've got history, and we can tap manage to delete devices that we've got saved in the history, or enable or disable this device to connect. As you can see, my phone lagged because this phone is not available now and my headphones can't connect to it. But as you can see at the bottom, we've got a button with the text label, connect new device. We can tap it and tap got it. Now they are in the Bluetooth pairing mode and we can connect to them using a different device. Goodbye.